Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can activate your Lebara eSIM on your mobile device. So first for that we'll be needing your eSIM QR code, which you can get from my Lebara app. So if you order your eSIM or switch to eSIM from my Lebara application on your mobile device, what you'll have to do is you'll have to log in with my Lebara account and then go to my settings and select switch to eSIM, and then you can order your eSIM and they will give you the eSIM QR code in my Lebara. So after that what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your device's settings and then mobile network and then add a data plan, and then they will give you the option to scan a QR code. You'll have to scan the QR code that my Lebara application has given you, and then you will have to follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. So usually the setup consists to download the eSIM on your device, and after it finishes downloading, it will install on your device and then it will prompt you to activate it. You can press confirm to activate your eSIM on your device. So this is how you can easily activate your Lebara eSIM on your device. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.